The question poses that we're supposed to write this in set notation in interval notation. So first off, let's figure out what this actually means. So we know it's set notation because excuse me, because it has these curly Q brackets. All right. Now what this means, how this is read, it's read as the set of all x's I don't know if there's apostrophe there or not, but that's what this part right here means. That means there's a set of all x's. This part right here means such that, and then this right here means x cannot equal 3. That's just kind of read as it normally would. I think everyone could see that means x is not equal to 3, but some people don't know that because that does not equal sign doesn't come up very much. Okay, so that means such that x does not equal 3. I should write that in English. Alright, so if we read that in order, it's a set of all x's such that x does not equal 3. So all numbers such that x does not equal 3. So this basically means whenever you see that set notation, you're talking about x, and this over here is right there is the kind of the but part of it. But x can't be 3. Every x can be anything, but it can't be 3. All right, so there's going to be kind of like an idea over here of what x can or cannot be. So interval notation is really easy to start with a number line. It's a lot easier to start with a number line. So we'll start with 3. There's 2, and there's 1, and then there'd be 4 and 5. And that goes to positive infinity, and this goes to negative infinity. And it makes this easier if I put the infinities here. All right. So interval notation, we want to say all numbers but 3. We don't want 3. So 3 gets a open dot around it to protect it. And we don't want that 3, that value of 3, but we want everything else. I'm going to shade the whole number line. I want everything else. When I shade it, that means it's included. So like 1 is shaded, so it's included. 2 is shaded, it's included. So everything from negative infinity to positive infinity except for 3. So here's all the numbers. This is what you would write if you meant all the numbers. But we have 3 is in this. Okay, so we don't want 3 in there. So we have to split this into 2 intervals. From negative infinity to 3. And when there's an open dot, you put a parentheses. Now we're going to skip 3 and then start up with 3. So I'm going to say open parentheses, start at 3, and then go to infinity. And we're going to put those together with a union symbol. So to recap, this means everything in interval notation. This means everything but 3. Because see how you go from negative infinity to 3, skip 3, start back at 3, but don't include it. That's what the parentheses means, and then go on to infinity.